Calling all RC drag racers. BBM Performance and Parts is your ultimate pit stop for speed, precision, and unbeatable performance. At BBM Performance and Parts, we're as passionate about RC drag racing as you are. From sleek RC drag cars to top-tier parts and accessories, we've got the gear to take your racing to the next level. Our shelves are stocked with the best brands in the biz: R1 Works, Team GFRP, DRC, BSR, Voodoo, and so many more. Whether you're tuning up a quarter-scale beast or a nimble no-prep racer, we've got what you need. Can't make it to the shop? No worries. Our online store brings the action right to your door. And for those epic race days, our mobile parts trailer rolls into events, so you'll never be without the gear you need to win. But BBM is more than just parts. We're a community. We host and attend events like Oktoberfest, where racers come together to compete, connect, and celebrate the thrill of the race. With exclusive footage and crash cam highlights, we bring you closer to the action than ever before. Partnering with influencers like Webb RC, we keep you in the loop with the latest trends and tips in RC drag racing. It's not just about racing, it's about living the passion every day. So, what are you waiting for? Rev up your RC experience with BBM Performance and Parts, where speed meets community. Visit us online or catch us at your next big race. BBM Performance and Parts, fueling your need for speed.